Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can go full screen in your Google Sheets. So let's go quick into the process. First is you just need to open your Google Sheets. Like in my case, I already have this. On how you can go full screen once you open your Google Sheets, it's very easy. Look at the ribbon at the top and you will find all these tabs: File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Data, Tools, Extensions, and Help. Click on the View tab and here you will find the option Full Screen. Click on that and that's it. You are now in full screen on your Google Docs. Like in your Google Sheets. Okay? So you are now in full screen in your Google Sheets. And then how you can exit this, just simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. And that's it. If you want to go full screen, just do the same process. If you want to escape the full screen, just also press the escape key on your keyboard. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.